Okay, guys. So, yeah, I got my Prime Wardrobe box here from Amazon, and there are 3 items in it. Uno, dos, tres. Who knew? They're in the box. I'm going to pull them out right now and see what we got. Is it me? Why would you bother just to send 3 things? Okay. I'm just going to open this real quick because I have a meeting coming up soon. So looks like a sweater. It's definitely a sweater. Um, it is currently 75 degrees outside. I was actually hot in my car. I had to go to an appointment way across town, and it was hot in a good way, but I don't really think I'll be wearing any sweaters. This is by Velvet by Graham and Spencer. There's no style card or anything. There's actually nothing in the box but the return label. Am I missing something? Okay, here we go. Here they are. Okay, so this is $104.27. It is a cashmere blend mock neck turtle. It's a nice sweater, ain't gonna lie. Next item. Oh, it looks like an umbrella. This is legit. I don't even know. Interesting. We're going to call it interesting. All right. Not sure. Oh, these are pants. These are Club Monaco, all rolled up like this. Black trousers for $117.30. Super wide leg. They look like nice trousers. They almost feel like a little bit of a linen blend. They definitely are interesting. And let's see, they are Ralph Lauren Europe, Club Monaco. Wait, are these? I did not know Club Monaco had anything to do with Ralph Lauren. Did you guys? Okay. And our third and final item, clearly it's shoes. Keds. I'm not a big Keds fan. In fact, I don't even think I have a pair. These look huge. They are some nice platform sneakers. They feel like leather. They are all white. Here's the bottom. Maybe they just look huge because they're platform, but they look really long. They're actually kind of nice sneaks. I don't think I need them since I have some platform Vans. Something on there right there. See it? Okay, let's see what these say. Okay. Keds Women Triple Up Leather Sneaker in white, size 7 for $74.95. So we have 280, about $200 here for 3 items. At least I can throw them all at once when I do my try on and life will be easy. I can't do that currently right now because, like I said, I have this meeting. It kind of came in this sort of shaped box too. All right, guys, so that was interesting. Has anybody, I did get one other Prime wardrobe a couple of months ago. Um, did I YouTube that or not? Honest to God, can't remember. But there are a bunch more items in there. In fact, I ended up keeping 1, 2, 3 things. I think there was 7 or 8. I'm not really sure how this works. I guess it would behoove me to pay a little bit more attention. But yeah, so that was fast and quick. I will see you guys for the try on. Okay, bye. Okay, and here we go with our complete and total try on of everything in my Prime wardrobe box. All three, uno, dos, tres, un, deux, trois, pieces. I feel like a Pinterest pin. I think I actually have a pin, something pinned very similar to this. I hate to say it, but um, these pants are absolutely beautiful. They are beautiful pants. They are well made. I can definitely see why they are the price they are. Um, the kicks are cute. They're definitely some bumped up kicks. All the other kids. Um, they're comfortable. They're cute. You know, I would wear this outfit. The sweater feels a little bit big, but my goodness, is it soft and another well-made item. So let's get a little closer on these pants. They're high-rise pants. They are a linen blend. They are flare, definitely flare, and they are a little bit cropped. So actually, guys, this is a cute outfit. Sweaters too. I don't know if it's too big. It is loose, but I do like the pants, and you know, the sneakers are definitely growing on me. Um, okay, so there we have it. Okay, so there we have it. I was surprised. I legit like all three items. But 3 items is over $200, which I guess isn't too bad. The pants are absolutely beautiful. They are a little wrinkled, so that always kind of gives a little weird fit. Um, the kicks are cute. Those sneakers are super cute. They're super comfortable. And the sweater is nice. Cashmere blend. Nice color. It just does look a little big. Again, it was folded up. So I'll wait a couple days because you actually have 7 days until you have to send everything back to Amazon. So this was interesting. I'm really concerned I'm not concerned, but I'm really curious as to why. I'm looking at my settings right now and they're so off. Color is so off. They only sent 3 items. So let me know what you think. A hard time to look at it because it really is a beautiful day out there, and to put on a sweater like that, not so much. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I got that my Stitch Fix has shipped, so I'll see you in a couple days for that. Okay, bye.